Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command c : and simply press enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space windows and press enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1 then hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space *** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space / fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type in cd space c : / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space windows / system32 / config / regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcdedit space / export space c : / bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Type attrib c : / boot / bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type ren space c : / boot / bcd space bcd.old then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space / rebuildbcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.